That was Billy DeVito with the run back, tripped up by number 55, Tom Sweeney. The ball is placed at the 37-yard line of Lehman. It'll be 1st and 10.
Let's go, D.
Go, defense!
Angel Brito with the carry. Jeff Shea, 2nd and 4. Brian Underwood. William Penner with the tackle of Brian Underwood for a gain of 2 yards. It will be 3rd down and 5. Rob Miller and Willie Penner in on the tackle of Billy DeVito, short of the 1st down. It will be 4th and 2. Robert Cortino with the carry for the 1st down. The ball is down to the 25-yard line of the Red Raiders. It will be 1st and 10 Lehman. Scott McBratney with the tackle of Brian Underwood. Gain of 6 on the play will be 2nd and 4.
Come on, D, let's go!
Anthony Venditti with the tackle of Billy DeVito. A loss of a yard. It'll be 3rd and 5. Ball is now on the 20, short of the 20-yard line of the Red Raiders. It will be 3rd and 5. Jose Colon with the carry, tackled by Anthony Venditti, short of the 1st down. It'll be 4th and 2. Angel Brito with the 1st down, tackled by Jeff Shea. And Eileen Bagley in on the tackle. That is a 1st down for Lehman. And Tom Sweeney with the tackle of Brian Underwood. Marcus Briggs is also in on the tackle. There was a gain of 4 yards. It'll be 2nd and 6. That is a touchdown, Lehman. That's Justin Doyle with the block of the attempted extra point. The score remains 6-0 Lincoln. Lorenzo Cicola set to kick off for Lehman. Back for the Red Raiders is Dom Durazio, William Penner, and Rob Miller. Rob Miller with the return to the 25-yard line will be 1st and 10 Red Raiders at their own 25. John Churchill with the reception from Matt Shulman. For a gain of 6, it'll be 2nd and 4. John Churchill from Matt Shulman for the 1st down. Ball is placed at the 40-yard line of the Red Raiders. It will be 1st and 10. Robert Andino with the stop for a loss of 3 on the play. It'll be 2nd and 13.
54 to 33 we had a score.
Chris Ehlers with a gain of 3 yards. Back to the original line of scrimmage, it will be 3rd and 10. Pass intended for Rob Miller is incomplete. It will be 4th and 10. Back to punt for the Red Raiders will be Matt Shulman. Back to receive the punt, Brian Underwood. That was a 60-yard punt by Matt Schulman. To Brian Moynihan for the first down to the 30-yard line. First and 10, Lehman. Bradney with the tackle of Brian Underwood for no gain. It will be 2nd and 10. Rob Miller with the tackle of Brian Underwood. Short of the first down, it will be 3rd down and 1. Tom Sweeney, Scott McBratney, and Anthony Venditti with the tackle of Angel Brito. There was a gain very close to the first down marker. There will be a measurement. That is good enough for the first down. Ball is placed at the 41-yard line of Lehman. With the carry out of bounds. Tom Sweeney knocked him out for a gain of 6. It'll be 2nd and 4. That is a touchdown for Billy DeVito. 55-yard touchdown run for Billy DeVito. Timeout Lehman versus Tottenville at 1. And on Sunday, the varsity will be playing Tottenville. Also, you may purchase tickets at the door for $25. Hot buffet, beverages, live entertainment by Harmony. Great evening for all. Billy DeVito, successful on the two-point conversion, is now 14. Lehman, 0 for Port Richmond. Back to receive the kickoff, Dom DeRazio, Bob Miller, and William Penna. Dom DeRazio with the big return down to the 40. Mark Dulce with the completion. There was a flag on. There's a pass interference call against the offense. Completed pass is null and void. Ball is brought back. There was a 15-yard penalty. Be set first and 25. That second down. Chris Ayler's with the carry for a gain of a yard. Be 3rd and 24. Pass is complete to Yossi Fain for 5 yards. It will be 4th down and 19.
George, wake up!
return. Dom Durazio tackled him at the 44-yard line. Lehman will take over the end of the first period. Ball is placed at the 44-yard line of Lehman. Billy DeVito with a gain of 8 down to the tackle by Willie Penner. Ball is placed at the 48-yard line. It'll be second and a long 2.
Come on, Marcus, get in there, Marcus! Come on, Marcus, get in there! Let's go, Briggs!
Justin Doyle with the tackle. Timeout for a measurement. Third and inches. That was the quarterback, Robert Cortino, for the first down. Lenny D'Alessandro and Tom Sweeney with the tackle. Ball is placed at the 43-yard line of the Red Raiders. Second and 6. Procedure call against Lehman. Brian Underwood with the carry, fumbled, recovered by Lehman, but there was a flag on the play. It was holding against Lehman. The play will be brought. That was Rob Miller with the interception. The ball is placed at the 26-yard line of the Red Raiders, where it was taken over by Port Richmond, 1st and 10. Pass intended for Don Churchill, incomplete, 2nd and 10. Chris Ehlers, tackled by Jose Cohen. There was a loss of 2 on the play. It'll be 3rd and 12. The pass completion down to the 44-yard line of Lehman. That was a 32-yard pass completion from Matt Schulman to Rob Miller. Russell Argila and Noel Santiago